Hello everyone, I'm Todd Andercoat at Hawk Chevrolet and Cadillac in Joliet, Illinois. I'm going to go over today how to use your automatic climate controls in the 2019 Blazer. Blazer's only been out for a short time now, and it's kind of set up just like the Camaro is. And what you want to do to turn on the automatic climate controls is hit the auto button here first. And then on the vents here, this is going to control the driver's side, and this one is for the passenger side. So if you want to set the driver's side here, right now it's at 85, which is a little bit too warm for me. And you just want to turn this knob here to get it set to the temperature that you want. Now if you got a passenger, they can also set it to their desired temperature. So if they like it as hot as it can be, just turn it on high here. And it'll automatically adjust the fan speed and do whatever it needs to do to keep it at the temperature you set it at. So now if the passenger gets out and you don't want it set on the passenger side, you want to set it to the way you have it set on the driver's side here, you can just hit the sync button here and it automatically syncs it to what the driver's side has it set for. Okay, then see the fan goes back down and it's going to be the same temperature in the rest of the vehicle. You could also do the fan speeds here, take it out of auto and do your normal climate controls that way too. But if you want it back on auto, just hit auto and just set the temperature you want. And that's it. That's how you set the automatic climate controls for the 2019 Blazer. Thank you.